You all right? So, this is a commercial door. It's the door to our unit, to our office. I've changed this barrel to an Ultion 3-star barrel. That means it's secure by design, anti-pick, anti-bump, which means that if anybody tries to attack this lock, it goes into lockdown mode and there's a pin inside where you just can't get in. So any door we fit, whether it be a bifold, a composite, a PVC, a commercial door, we will always fit it with an Ultion 3-star barrel. Because the barrel is one of the main ways of gaining entry into a house for burglars. So we don't want that. So every now and again, like anything, you need to maintain it. So with this door, it's just sticking a little bit. The key is actually just sticking. When you can you hear that? There's just a tiny little jolt on it, so it's not turning quite smoothly. So what we do, I'm going to put my mic on here, and the reason why I'm holding my mic, I don't know if I'm holding it too close or what. The reason why I'm holding my mic is because it keeps. I've had a few people in the comments say that it keeps rattling on my chest. Hopefully that's all right. So anyway, what you do. You get your Ultion key. I mean, look how thick that is as well. So you get your key. Do not use WD-40. That is a degreaser. It's only going to attract dust. It's going to and grime and dirt and whatnot. It may work momentarily, but in the long term, it's going to bugger your lock. It could even seize an Ultion lock up. There's all the grooves, and what you do, you can buy this from Ultion themselves. I think they've changed the packaging now. I prefer this packaging because you can just sit it down and it sits up. Now they've got it in like a toothpaste tube. I'm not keen on it myself. But what you do, it's called a micro graphite lubricant designed for high security locks. So what you do, give it a bit of shake. Put it into the grooves, like that. Put a bit more in. And then what you do is you put it in the lock, in and out, a couple of times, lock, unlock, and that is now working nice and smooth. I do the same on the outside as well, and that's it. So what you want to do, like I say, you can buy this direct from Ultion themselves. I think it's about 10-15 quid. I think you can get it on Amazon as well. And it's just worth doing every sort of 3 to 6 months. Probably not 3 actually. I would do it every 6 months, so twice a year. So yeah, lube your locks. Keep it well maintained. If you are having a door fitted, always make sure that it's got. It doesn't have to necessarily be Ultion, but you want a high security barrel basically, one that's anti-bump and anti. Can't remember the word, but anyway, anti-bump, so you can't drill it. Anti-drill, and away you go. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe. Please hit that like button, and I'll catch you in the next one.